Myboatplans Review. Myboatplans is a comprehensive collection of 518 boat plans, 40 videos and about 500 pages of boat building guides. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What is Myboatplans? The product offers step-by-step blueprints on over 518 boats and video lessons on boat building. The creator, Martin Reed, offers a simple, efficient and user-friendly system to construct any type of boats in a simple way. Myboatplans shows the user how to build over 500 different types of boats ranging from simple canoes and kayaks to complex designs like a cabin cruiser. The pros. A huge range of plans to choose from. They provide you with detailed plans and diagrams, complete with color pictures and examples on many types of boats. Sailboats, skiffs, canoes, kayaks, houseboats, paddle boats, yachts, catamarans, flat-bottom boats, dinghies and dories, to name a few. There are multiple plans available for each kind of boat, so you have some variety to choose from. The video section is comprehensive. The 45+ videos on boat building leaves no stone unturned. It consists of the entire boat building process from conception to the final product. It is great for beginners who want an easy-to-follow video guide on boat construction. There are also videos on boat repair and boat design calculations which are great for professional builders. Great bonuses included. The bonuses you get with this product are great. You get a free boat designing software, a book on boat construction tips and the Boat Builder's Handbook, which is huge in and of itself. Full color pictures. I appreciated the amount of full color pictures and diagrams that are included in the manuals. I'm a very visual person, so it is easier for me to follow a picture or diagram instead of reading paragraphs. Money back policy. The 60-day money back guarantee is always appreciated. Click the link below for visit official site. The cons. It takes a while to download. Due to the huge amount of content available, there is about 900 megabytes to download. This may take a while if you have a slow connection. However, you can opt for the DVD edition in the members area, so that solves the issue if you're on a slow network. Conclusion. Myboatplans is a great collection any way you look at it. It is suitable for beginners as well as seasoned builders alike. It offers great value for money considering the one-time price you pay for such an extensive system. For more information, click the link below.